Hi and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Friday 2nd of December with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Hanset Markets, looking at dollar yen now. Are we beginning to see the dollar in the process of rolling over? Now look at these momentum indicators. The RSI, little minor bear divergence there. MACD lines losing impetus maybe. Stochastics, again slight bear divergence, although not classic bear divergence because the RSI didn't go back below 70 to turn lower again, so not classic, but it is the possibility, I think, of this rolling over. Now we've seen this candle on Wednesday, which was the largest candle since early July of over 200 ticks, but that was followed up yesterday by a corrective move, and today again a corrective move. So it's just the sort of idea that I'm getting that this dollar bull run is sort of in its last throes. Look at this hourly chart, whereby the first time we've seen the market sort of closing below a key breakout high. Didn't even get close to it back here. Let me put the crosshair on it. Didn't even get close to it on the first one. Next one was 854, bang on. 975, bang on. 1135, bang on. But 1390 has been broken, and the market is rolling over. So zooming in here, we've actually rolled below 1390 again, even today. So moving below 1354, which we're only 10 ticks away from now, you'd argue that you're sort of beginning to form lower highs and lower lows. Now, it's not all lost yet. You'd certainly argue that although the uptrend is rolling, there is still this sort of support, I suppose you could argue, that would come in until, well, currently around 1285. So there is still support of trends, not a great trend, but because it's rolling over, but still the support. Now 113.30, which is this reaction high here, and also pretty much this reaction high here. These two levels, I would be watching out for these levels. If you broke below that, I think that is a real sign, because that would be another sort of breakout support that had been broken, arguably much nearer term, but still a breakout support that I think that would then reopen 12 big figure, this reaction low here from Wednesday. So there is this sort of slowing of the impetus going on, and if you see the RSI, say for example, starting to trade seriously below 40, maybe even below 30, MACD lines below neutral, which they are turning below neutral now, and stochastics, look at that, stochastics rolling over again. So it is beginning to, I think, lose steam, and we're sort of 40 ticks down on the day, and you could argue that perhaps we're due a correction on this one. Now obviously you're going to get the volatility of payrolls today, so that adds in an element of confusion, or sort of a big caveat to exactly the positioning that should be taken. But still, I think the technicals are suggesting that this one is a rolling over. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.